Cabin crew short taxi. Aboard. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You're very welcome on board your Aer Lingus and Crystal Ski, your tour operator, flight to Dublin Airport. Captain Ray Heffernan is in command of the flight this evening. And as the captain has said, when we get underway, our flight time to Dublin will be approximately 2 hours and 40 minutes. My name is Ruth Ann Langan, your senior cabin crew, and I'm joined by Robert Blannon and Shane in the cabin. In preparation for departure, please check that your seatbelt is securely fastened, your tabletop is stowed, your seatbelt is in the fully upright position with the armrest down, and all window blinds must be open. Smoking on board, including vaping, is illegal and prohibited. The lavatories are fitted with smoke alarms. It is an offence to tamper with these alarms or remove any safety equipment such as seatbelts or life jackets from the aircraft. Please be advised that failure to comply with these regulations may result in prosecution. We're very pleased to see you on board this evening. We hope you're comfortable and that you enjoy your flight. Please ensure now that all personal electronic equipment, including mobile phones, tablet devices, have been switched to flight safe mode or the equivalent airplane mode. The flight safe mode may be utilised throughout the flight. Laptops and larger portable electronic devices must not be used during taxi, takeoff or landing and must be stowed securely either in cabin baggage pushed well underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bins. If your device does not have flight safe mode or the equivalent airplane mode, it must be switched off now and remain off for the duration of the flight. In addition, if you're wearing earphones, please remove them now for the duration of the safety demonstration. If you notice damage, smoke or overheating from your mobile or tablet device or your phone falls into the seat structure, please advise a member of the crew. Ladies and gentlemen, as always when travelling with Aer Lingus, safety is our number one priority. May we draw your attention to the safety features of this aircraft, which is an Airbus A320. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the flat metal end into the buckle, secure it around your waist, pull firmly on the strap to open the seatbelt, lift up the buckle cover, which should be faced away from you. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft, all of which are clearly marked with red and white exit signs. Low-level pathway lighting will guide you to the exits in poor visibility. There are 2 doors at the front of the cabin, one left and one right, 2 doors at the back of the cabin, one left and one right, and in the centre of the cabin at rows 12 and 13 there were 4 overwing exits, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. All exits must be clear during takeoff and landing. Please take a moment now to locate the nearest exit, bearing in mind that your nearest useful exit may be located behind you. Should you need to use one of these exits in an emergency, please leave all cabin baggage behind you and make your way to the nearest usable exit. There is a life jacket in a package under every seat. If instructed to use it by the crew, you should take it out of its package and put the jacket on over your head. The long strap at the back should be wrapped around your waist at the front, clipped and pulled tightly. Each jacket has a light and whistle for attracting attention. You inflate the jacket by pulling down sharply on the red tag hanging below the jacket in front. It may also be inflated or topped up by blowing through the rubber tube. Jackets must only be inflated once outside the aircraft. There is a safety information card in the seat back in front of you. This contains important safety information. Please study it carefully before departure. The cabin is pressurised for your comfort. If the cabin pressure fails, an oxygen mask will be lowered automatically in front of you. Should this happen, if you're wearing a face covering or face shield, please remove it. Stay in your seat, pull the oxygen mask down fully to start the flow of oxygen, cover your nose and mouth with the security of the elastic strap, and continue to breathe normally. You must put on your own mask first before attending to children or other passengers. Once again, we'll be dimming the cabin lights here in Salzburg and again into Dublin. This is normal safety procedure. Thank you for your attention. Cabin crew to your stations for cabin secure check.